It's still kind of little bits still remaining around us.
You know, we just completely can't shake it at this point, but we will by later this afternoon and evening as the showers eventually exit out. But the wind is something we'll have to contend with through tonight. So still have to be on guard for that. Here's a look at what we're seeing right now as far as our wind. And we have wind gusts between 35 to even 45 miles per hour. Hyannis seeing a wind gust of 45. Boston at 44 mile per hour gust right now. So even with the strength of the storm long gone, we're still seeing some very strong winds through our area. And through this afternoon, we do expect wind gusts to get anywhere between 30 to even 35 miles per hour, especially stretching down toward the south. By tonight, starting to eventually calm down, although it's still going to be breezy even as we move into tomorrow. Now, as far as these winds, there is an advisory in effect, that wind advisory until 5 o'clock this evening. So you still want to be on guard. Keep in mind, if you do have decorations outdoors, if you haven't already fastened them, definitely want to do that at this point because winds are still going to be strong right on through today and likely going to see more branches blowing around as well. We have a few areas of very light drizzle that's pushing through right now. So one area that has been really persistent is out toward the Berkshires and really moving out toward Franklin County right now. But as we move into areas east of 495, it's been a bit more patchy. So we have one little band of drizzle pushing toward the North Shore and also stretching through the Merrimack Valley, and then a bit more patchy as you move down from Plymouth, moving down toward the Cape. Very spotty drizzle right now, and it is on the light side at this point. So we are starting to see some improvements as far as the rain, which will be the case right on through the mid-afternoon. 3 o'clock, you can see things starting to clear out. The sun will break through, although it will not be warm. Keep in mind, temperatures are actually falling as we move throughout much of today. And with this rainfall, we actually saw reports over 5 inches for areas of western Massachusetts, but even Taunton seeing just about 5 inches of rain when all was said and done. Westfield getting up to about 3.43 inches, and then the wind gusts reaching into the hurricane force strength as we see Mashpee with a wind gust of up to 82 miles per hour overnight last night. Now, as far as the forecast today, we still have an impact weather day because of these gusty winds that are in place, but the temperature forecast, check out how it actually falls. So we started off earlier this morning in the 60s, moving through this afternoon, falling through the 50s and even a few 40s as you move inland, and then progressively as we move through the forecast tonight, region-wide getting much cooler, with many of us falling into the low to mid 40s. Heading out for Halloween tomorrow, trick-or-treaters would be just fine, although we're back to feeling more like fall. So that little taste of summer we had last week is not expected. We're actually going to see temperatures topping out near 60 in the afternoon. But by the time the kids head out for trick-or-treating, of course, the sun will be down because sunsets at 5:39 very early. So that's going to feel clear and cool tomorrow night with temperatures falling through the 50s. Moving into Wednesday, a frosty start. Temperatures actually down into the 30s in the morning, 50s for the afternoon. And then we're tracking our next chance of showers. Nothing I would be too alarmed about, though. It looks very light as we move into Thursday and Friday. We'll have to keep an eye on that. Drying out as we head into the weekend, but you can see there's no signs of any big warm up heading our way with that 7-day forecast.